I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some cookies. Come on. These are going to be made with almond flour. So I've used almond flour to make cookies before. I really like it. And these are going to be chocolate chip coconut cookies. Doing 2 cups of almond flour. Oh, I've got my oven preheating to 350. Two cups of almond flour. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to use fourth cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir to get those mixed in together. Probably should have sifted that almond flour, but I think it'll be alright. It was my intention to put half a cup of chocolate chips in this, but I've only got like, I don't know, 1/4 cup. Sounds good to me. Now I've already got some butter that semi-melted. Oops, get in there now. I need you. I need you in there. The only other thing I had in the cabinet was white chocolate chips, and they were not sugar-free, so I really didn't want to do that. All right, now, oven's ready. I'm not, but the oven is. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add to this some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. And this is 4th cup of butter that I, again, semi-melted. You can let it sit out to room temperature if you want to. And then you can use maple syrup, or you can use sugar-free, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons in there. Oh, it's okay. We got some more. Tom is a pancake fan, so fiend even. So we're not going to run out of that. Wipe my fingers off. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and pour all of this in with our dry ingredients. Get all of that out of there. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to start working this in together. It's a little more dry than I want it to be, so I think I'm going to add a little more. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of this syrup in there. So it's like 3.5 tablespoons. Got that coconut in there, so it's taking up a little more liquid. I forgot to allow for that. Yeah, that's much better. Or I could have put more butter in it, but that was just a little bit of syrup that was left. Now you want to make sure and mix it together really good because you don't want any clumps of the almond flour. Now this will make, it should make 6 large cookies or probably 9 or 10 smaller cookies. I'm kind of liking the idea of a larger cookie myself. Okay. Now you all heard I've already got the oven preheated and I've got me some parchment paper here. I like to wad it up and then put it in there because it stays a little bit better where I want it to versus where it wants to. Now, just so you know, or if you've noticed, this don't have any egg in it. So, that means you can eat it and don't have to worry about salmonella. I'm trying to figure out, do I want it big cookies? We do want it big cookies, don't we, you all? I think so. I think we're going to get 7 out of this. I like that. More for Tom. Yep. 7 nice big plump looking cookies. Let me just scoot that one over some. I'm hoping that these are not going to spread out everywhere. Ooh. That cookie dough is so good. Mmm, yummy yum. Okay, now let's pat them down a little bit. Oh man, that's good. These cookies are going to taste amazing because of the cookie dough. Yeah, buddy. I'd eat that with a spoon. I would. Smash them down. And we're going to let them bake in this preheated 350 degree oven. I just need a bite of that again. For I'm going to say about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check on them and then I'll let you all know how long I baked them. But that's what they look like. Now let's get them in the oven so I can shove one in my face when I get them out of the oven and they cool down. I'll be back in a little while, y'all. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, the dishwasher is going, you guys. 20 minutes. I let these bake for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and sit these down here. And we're going to let them cool completely down before I remove them from the parchment paper. So, I hope you all heard me. Look at how nice that looks. The cookies have cooled down now. So, they're a little bit soft where I put the extra syrup in there, but look at that. Now, Tom, we'll just share one since it's kind of late. We'll just share one. Here we go. That's so good. So good.
If y'all are a fan of a warm chocolate chip cookie that just melts when you take a bite of it, there you go.
Well, y'all know I was going to like it because I already ate some of the cookie dough.
Thanks, baby.
You are welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you will. Click the subscription button and notification bell. That way you know every time I put new content on. And give these a try. It don't take but just a few minutes to make them. And they're just good. They're just good. Y'all take care and we'll see you next time. Bye now.